everyone! This is the start of our Montreal vlog. We're in the car right now. We've been driving for a couple hours already. We have 3.5 more hours to go. We probably will stop at some point just to use the restroom. Traffic is very light. It is Wednesday. It's actually July 4th, so happy Independence Day to anyone watching from the US. We packed pretty much the same thing as we did for our New York trip. I'm not going to be doing another packing video, but I will link down below my packing for NYC vlog and you'll see the general idea of what we brought. My travel outfit, however, is a little bit different. I decided to go very comfortable, casual. I'm wearing my Gentle Monster sunglasses. My tank top is from Uniqlo. I'm wearing these pants, which are from a similar store to Forever 21. And then I just have on my flip-flops instead of my Converse since we're in the car and I didn't want my feet to get all hot. We took a quick stop at Wendy's, got our Frosties. I got chocolate and hubby got vanilla. We have checked into our hotel. This is the Delta in downtown Montreal. Here is our room. We actually have adjoining rooms because we're here with friends, so their room is through this door here. When you walk in, you see the king-size bed. The bathroom is on this side, and then there's hubby. It's a very nice spacious room. The charging station is really neat. I have all these miscellaneous cord things. And then we're on the 18th floor, so we've got a nice view of some buildings. It is Thursday in Montreal. Hubby and I woke up really early. We don't have to meet our friends until 8:30 for breakfast, and it's around 7 o'clock now. We didn't close the blackout blinds, so the sun just came in the morning and naturally woke us up at around 6:30 or so. We decided to come out for a little walk while it's still relatively cool out. We're in the jazz festival area. Of course, there's nothing going on right now because it's still really early. But I didn't realize it was such a big area, sectioned off from traffic so cars aren't allowed through. Yesterday we arrived in Montreal at around 3:30. We just hung out with our friends for a bit. We went to happy hour at the hotel. Then we went for dinner at Candide. Candide was really nice. The food was delicious. We sat inside because it was so hot out. The restaurant is at the back of a church. Patio seating area out back, which would have been really nice if the weather had not been so hot and humid. But we sat inside in front of the kitchen so we could see what was going on in the kitchen. It was kind of like a dinner theater type setup. The food was delicious. We had a 4-course meal. The portions were quite generous. So that was our dinner, and then we headed to Bar George and we had a drink. Very nice bar that's attached to a hotel that's kind of reminiscent of Bar Hemingway in Paris. It was very comfortable. We sat in the AC, enjoyed our drinks, just chatted, and then we headed back to the hotel. And that was our first night in Montreal. Today's gonna be a spa day. We're going to Strom Spa, so I probably won't vlog a whole lot, maybe just the outside building part to show you guys. It's going to be a day of relaxation. We're gonna get massages and then just hang out in the pools and such. Hubby and I are on our morning walk. We're heading back to the hotel now. It is a lot nicer today. It's cooled down a lot since yesterday, although it's still hot and sunny. So I had the perfect weather for Jazz Festival and sightseeing. This is our last full day in Montreal. We had a great day yesterday at the spa. We were at Strom for 6 hours and we got back to the hotel, enjoyed the happy hour that's included. We went to a new restaurant that our friends wanted to try. They come to Montreal a lot and they're big foodies, so they know what's happening on the foodie scene. There's a new restaurant called Pastel that just opened up maybe a week and a half ago. It's from the same owner as Le Fantôme, which is a restaurant they've been to that they love. Pastel was really good. We loved it. It was a 9-course tasting menu and all of the courses were absolutely delicious. After dinner, we headed to a speakeasy. This one I think is called ColdRoom. You get in through a secret entrance and then it's in the basement of a building. There's a long narrow bar, very busy, very loud. We were pretty exhausted, so we just basically had one drink and then we headed back to the hotel and called it a night. We had a great day and looking forward to eating a lot of delicious food today. I think we're going for poutine. We're gonna go pick up some staples like rillettes and such to bring back to Toronto, and hopefully we'll see some of the Jazz Festival today. Ontario. We're driving home from Montreal. I haven't really been vlogging a whole lot. I've been taking clips, but just doing these little recaps as per my Iceland vlog because we were with friends the entire time. Ended up going to bed at around 4 a.m. last night. We were absolutely exhausted. This morning we took it easy, slept in a bit, and then we headed up to Schwartz's for the smoked meat sandwiches. We ate them outside because there was a little bit of a line to get into the seating area. So we just sat on a bench, enjoyed our sandwiches, and then we headed to this little pub slash brewery that hubby found. It's called Dieu du Ciel. It had around 18 different craft beers. I think a lot of them were brewed on site, or at least half of them were brewed on site. So we did a little degustation, a little tasting of 4 beers hubby and I shared. Friends had 3 beers. One of them, the raspberry one, was very fresh and delicious. Nice, like dry raspberry beer. My personal favorites were, I think actually hubby and I liked the same ones. We liked the coffee stout, and hubby has been really into the New England style IPAs. That was such a good stop and everything was dirt cheap. The other thing I wanted to mention about the Jean-Talon market, the prices were so reasonable. Hubby wants to go back and just do little like street foods and such and forego more of the fancy meals, and I would tend to agree. After our quick stop at the pub, we went up to Fairmount Bagels and we picked up a bunch of bagels to bring home. Hubby and I bought some day-old sesame ones, and we also bought a dozen of the all-dressed. Our friends got some of the fresh-made pasta. It's gnocchi with a really beautiful tomato sauce with some parmesan, and that was delicious. I just had a bite because I was so full. We also had ice cream. Hubby had the creme fraiche and also the salted butter. Yeah, salted melted butter ice cream. I had the pandan. Friends bought a small container of the durian ice cream. So hubby and our friends had that. I'm not a huge fan of durian, so I didn't have any, but I enjoyed my little cup of ice cream. And then it was time to head back to the hotel. So we just packed up. Our friends are staying one more night, so we dropped them off at their next hotel. And now we are on the road going home. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you very soon in a regular Toronto vlog. No more traveling really for the rest of the summer, although I do have a little week-long getaway with a girlfriend. We're going to a spa retreat. Not sure if I'm going to be vlogging that very much, but maybe I'll put some clips in a regular Toronto vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you